In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge expenses in Expensify. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to settings down here on your profile icon. And then in case you are inside a workspace like this, you first want to go out. So you want to click on top left, this back arrow. And you want to scroll down where you see switch to Expensify Classic, because you can't actually do this in the new Expensify. At least I haven't yet found a way to do it, but you're gonna have to switch to Expensify Classic, which is just a few clicks. So click over here, then click on no thanks, and then you simply want to click on I need a feature that's only available in Expensify Classic, click next, and then what feature do you need? You want to click on merge, or you want to type in merge or merging, anything like that, and then click on next and switch to Expensify Classic. Now over here, once you're directed to Expensify Classic, you first want to go to expenses here on the left, and then you want to select the expenses you would like to essentially merge. So for example, here's two random expenses I have. I'm going to click on the first one, so the check mark, and then as soon as I click on the second one, a merge button will appear, as you can see. Of course, you can do this for only two of them, because as you can see, if I put more than two, the merge button disappears. So click on two of them you would like to merge, click on merge up top, and over here, you'll simply have to basically select the expense to keep, the merchant, the date, etc. So anything that's basically editable, you can do that if you want to. You can go with no receipt because, or select a receipt in case you have one. I don't over here in either of these. So once you're done with all that, once you've set this the way you want it to be, click on save, and then as you can see, your expenses will be successfully merged. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.